Hey, what's going on, folks? Just going to show you how I'm making these quesadillas. Very simple to make and delicious snack. So yeah, they're really simple, very easy to make, and very nice to eat too. So yeah, I made a video a couple of weeks ago or so about chicken quesadillas, and I think they're actually a lot nicer with beef, ground beef, so that's how I've been making them lately. Yeah, so just cook some beef, don't need much. I season it with paprika, smoked paprika I'm using, but paprika's all good. Bit of cumin, and I'm making it a bit more spicy now. Just some cayenne pepper, a few pinches, and it's quite nice. A little bit of spice, I think. Pretty much done with the beef there. Just got a homemade tortilla here that I made, and gonna add some grated cheese. Grated cheese. Then we add this beef on top. Then yeah, so we just top it with some more cheese. Fold it over. Not the best shaped tortilla, but it it's quite nice like this because the cheese kind of sticks to the pan a bit more because it's not completely covered. And you see what I mean. But yeah, just chuck it back in the frying pan. Yeah, it doesn't take long to cook. It's like a minute each side or so. Of that, just melting the cheese really. Kind of like a cheese toasty with a tortilla. And yeah, I normally I like to have it with a bit of sour cream, but I don't have any of that at the moment, so I'm just going to have it as is. But normally I'll chuck some sour cream on the top here. Super delicious. Let's see how it looks inside. See what I mean about like the cheese kind of crunching up, sticking to the pan. It's not, I haven't got a lot there, but yep. Could have been more cheesy, but yeah, sour cream, or you could just chuck some sour cream there and dip it in. But yeah, that's it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.